How to make a do-it-yourself circulating pump for your welder. Okay, I made a circulator pump for my TIG machine, a TIG welding machine. This is the line that goes into the torch for the water-cooled torch. This is a 1 gallon per hour pump. It cost me 16 bucks on eBay. I thought, give it a shot, you know, rather than paying $400 for the unit that you can get with it. For those that, you know, are money conscious, it makes it easy. I'm doing it for fun. Anyway, it's a 5 gallon pail, and this line goes all the way to the bottom so that it captures the coldest water to pump through the pump into the torch. The flow rate again is 1 gallon an hour. The reason why you need a certain flow rate is because as the water's going by the torch head, it has to be at a certain rate in order to take away the heat. If it goes too fast, it actually won't take away the heat from the torch and the torch will blow. And then if it's too slow, but slower is a little better, it may get too hot in the torch, along with the water may get too hot in the torch. But about 1 gallon an hour is good. Some of these ones, like the Everlast circulator pump does, I think, 1/4 gallon an hour. So that the flow rate needs to be slow enough, but not too fast. So gallon an hour should not be too fast. Also, the return line I have right here, and I drilled a hole in the top of the bucket lid, just a little smaller than the brass piece, so it comes out with a little bit of force to get it out, so it won't just come out on its own. I wanted to make sure that would happen. Now, this was I think a $29 tractor battery. You can get it at Tractor Supply, AutoZone, or Walmart. And just inexpensive, because this is a 12-volt system. It's not a 110. So I'll show you how much it comes out. You'll see a nice flow rate. On top of that, the pump's not real loud, so it's not like you're going to hear a lot of noise when it pumps. So I put it back in here, and it takes a little force to pop it in, but like I said, this way it won't come out easily. And I'll put an alligator clip on here, and then when I want to use it, this should be good for a week as far as power goes. And then I can charge it up every night or put a trickle charger on it for the night. So then I'm always good for power. But it would definitely last a whole day without any issue. I think I've had one on a sprayer pump for almost a week without any problems with recharging. So anyway, they don't use a lot of power. And here it is again. So now it's taking it up out of the bottom of the bucket and then returning it, and it's just laying it on top of the bucket, on the top of the water. Heat rises, cold drops. So that's why you want it in that order. This to the bottom of the bucket, and this just to spray it on the top of the bucket. So I hope this helps. If you like the video, give me a like. Appreciate it. Thank you.